Hi everyone, it's another video on this channel which is part of our Learn HTML the Right Way series. So if you've been following a previous video, I congratulate you, at least you are progressing. So this time around we will be starting a project so that we can be able to build our knowledge on that project. So let's see what we have in our code here. So in the previous video, we have this file index.html. We've written some code on it, so I've cleared it away so that we can start from a fresh page. So I'm going to use a VS Code shortcut here. So to do that, just press Shift and your exclamation key so that you can have this out. So I'm going to change the title to my portfolio. So it's going to be a portfolio website. That's what we're going to build. So let's just try to see what we can build. We'll build a foundation here. So let me have h1. So I'm going to say my portfolio, then I'm going to put my name here, which is my name, Daramola Babatunde. So and in our next video we can be able to build on it. So every of our coming knowledge will be building on this project so that you can be able to hold on something by the end of this Learn HTML the Right Way series. So if you have any questions, shoot in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Meet you in another video.